Okay, video update. Using a new phone, so it might screw up a little bit. But yeah, video update. We got the steering done. Yeah. And it works good too. It's not loose or floppy. It works pretty good. And then the second thing we got done, I don't know if you can see that there, we converted the DIN Mercedes lines to being AN lines, because DIN fittings are extremely difficult to find. Now moving on, I actually got the bolts in the exhaust pipe, so they're done. And we're planning on launching this thing in the next 2 weeks. Thank you.